Good morning, everybody. We are here. We're ready to go. We're looking good. Prices might be down, but they are certainly bouncing back. My gosh, dude. What a crazy sell-off we've had over the weekend into this morning. But we're bouncing back a little bit right now, so that's some good news. Let's take a look at the market here and see what's happening so far this morning. We got Old Rounder first in the chat. JB, it's over, Clay. JB, I hope you're talking about the decline and not the game, dude. I hope you're talking about the decline and not the game. Let's see. We get Old Rounder, CD Wait. Good morning to all three of you guys. Thank you very much for being the only ones in the chat so far today. Appreciate you on that. Let's take a look at the market and see what's happening so far today. We've got AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen bouncing back off some crazy lows of $4.14, bouncing all the way back up to $4.92 this morning. GameStop, man, coming off $17 lows back up to $20 this morning. Shiba Inu Coin, 1083 lows, already back up to 1,315 points per coin. You've got, let's see, down on the bottom left-hand side of the screen, the NASDAQ was down like 6% this morning. That's the open. And it was actually worse pre-market. Down like 6% this morning, already back up nearly 1,000 points to 16,317. Now, it's still down 2.37 or 73% on the day today. But you can see here, major gap down, already eating that gap back up. So hopefully some good news there. Talked about AMC, GameStop, talked about it there. You got Dogecoin bouncing off 8 cents, already back up to 9.5 cents. Ethereum, 24.63, up 6% after being down 20% over the last 24 hours there. A major sell-off in Ethereum. That dip is being eaten up already, sitting at 24.61. Bitcoin sitting at 54,600. Nice bounce off $49,000. Already up over 5% in Bitcoin. The SPY sitting at 520, down much more earlier. QQQ sitting at 438, down to 420 this morning. 420 exactly, actually. Milanato sitting down 8% after being at 75 cents, currently sitting at 80 cents. Sundial sitting at 205. Netflix, $599, 600 right here. After, wow, dude, $600 after touching $567 pre-market. Insane. MPW down 2%. Was down much more earlier. Tesla only down 3% after bouncing off 181. Amazon back up to 160 after touching 150. Apple 211 after touching 196. Guys, this is a very strong bounce. I actually was not expecting such a strong bounce after seeing how the Japanese stock market did and after seeing how the Taiwanese stock market did. I was actually expecting some brutality in the market, and we are not getting that brutality. If you didn't know, all crypto is 30% on sale right now. John Jay, yes it is, man. John Jay, thanks for being over on TikTok right now. And crypto is on sale at the moment. But yeah, dude, overall devastation for the Japanese stock market, the Taiwanese stock market. But the U.S. stock market is bouncing back much better than I would have anticipated. The only silver lining in this was that I made money shorting Ethereum yesterday. Take your profit, man. You never know if it's going to bounce back. Very nicely done, Old Rounder. Morning to you, Michael. Joseph, hey, how you doing? Ray, good morning. Hello. Good morning, folks. Dropped internet connection. What's going on? Since we're going over stock prices, my average price on XRP is 48 cents. Yeehaw. Very nice. You know, I don't actually know what price... don't sneeze. I don't know what price Ethereum is at. Nah, not what I wanted to click. Let's see here. Streamlabs is lagging. Streamlabs is slow. Streamlabs is lagging. Where did it go? Alright, keep that up. Yeah, you can do it. You can do it. Alright, there we go. XRP. You know what? Let me see where this fear to greed index is. Ooh! man. From a level of 48 to 31. 31 is brutal, dude. We were at 36 a couple of weeks ago when Bitcoin was testing 53,000. 31 is nuts. Guys, dead serious, if you're here, I mean, things could get worse. I don't think you're going anywhere. There's so few people here anyway. You guys can't see it. I'm in the wrong one. I'm supposed to be in this one. Hold on. There. 31. Oh my gosh. I was in the wrong Chrome tab. Dude, everybody else is so scared right now. I don't know what the low for the fear degree index was at the bottom of the bear market in terms of Bitcoin hitting 16,000. What I do know is plenty of articles said that the fear degree index was as low as that level like 5-6 weeks ago when Bitcoin was testing 53,000. And the fear degree index on CoinMarketCap here was 36. So we are lower, or perhaps at the most fearful situation in the cryptocurrency market since 2017, 2018. So it's insane right now to see how fearful people are. And if you guys are here, I mean, you've made it. You've made it. Don't be dumb and give up now. If you just got to close your eyes and let your positions ride, let them ride, man. But you're at the bottom in terms of retail interest, in terms of fear. You're at the bottom and all of that. So make sure you guys stick around and make some money. Hoppy. We can look at Hoppy as well. I did want to see XRP. All right, 48 cents. So the guy's sitting right at his average right now. Dropped internet connection. Very good, man. 48 cent average, 48 cent price. You're doing okay. Closed my Ethereum short at bottom yesterday. 47% return on investment. Lost a tiny bit on a couple of other trades. Very nice. Old rounder, man. You made some money, though. I think the market will bounce back eventually. Dude, it's already bouncing back. I mean, this morning is, to my surprise, been a very good morning so far. That's the thing. You can't let emotion get the best of you. And a lot of people do, Joseph. A lot of people do. I'm going to short again after today's close. It looks like Bitcoin is going to bear cross on the 3-day MACD again. I hope it doesn't, old rounder. Dead serious. I am, okay? Gosh, dude. I think, and I could be wrong, right? Let me say this. Right now, if we do not experience any more treacherous price swings to the downside, I think that I am happily invested in like my meme coin portfolio. Now, I may add more to Solana. I may stack Ethereum. I may stack Bitcoin. But I am also very happy with leaving the rest in USDT. And kind of leaving it in USDT right now for some sort of a catastrophic decline. How do you guys feel about that right now? Now, I may add a little bit to some other meme coins. And, you look at MOG right now. MOG was down huge this morning and already bouncing back nearly 80-90% from those lows. PayPay down this morning to some pretty strong support. There's a lot of opportunity out there right now if you don't think that the market is going to die. Go see Deadpool. Just be prepared. John J, man, I like it. Mr. Pat, though, what's going on, man? Wow, I be trolling. What's going on? I be trolling. Yeah, I have not seen Deadpool yet. How are you guys feeling about your portfolios right now? Right? I look at Ethereum and I think, dude, it's at 2,400 right now, 2,100 this morning, and it could bounce back. Okay, but do I want to heavily invest in Ethereum or so on? I don't know which way the market's going, so I'm okay with my meme coin portfolio sitting saturated right now and leaving the rest in USDT. If I miss out, I miss out. If I don't miss out, then, well, better off for me because I'm sitting on some cash that I can go in and deploy later. Morning, afternoon, bros. What's going on, Tony D? I will claim my free Wiener Dog AI, 600,000 tokens. This is the time to buy every... Brian is 100% correct. Guys, I do not know if the market's going to continue down, if it's going to continue up. I don't know what way it's going. A lot of people out there will tell you that they know which way it's going. They're just guessing, right? And you do have a 50-50 chance of getting it right. If you get it wrong, oh, well, I got it wrong. If you get it right, I'm a stock market. I'm a crypto guru. Follow me. I have the insight and the omnipotence of a crypto god. You need to... Guys, it's insane. Nobody knows which way it's going to go. You have to know what's best for you, right? If you're able to buy the dip, buy the dip. If you're unable to buy the dip, close your eyes and let it happen, man. Just whatever happens in the market, let it happen. This is why I dislike leverage. I forget the actual numbers, man, but I believe it was near $1 billion liquidated. Not necessarily sold, but people with open interest in futures and stuff like that liquidated from the market over the weekend because they were on leverage. Those positions were closed out. They lost everything. If you were simply sitting, like I am, right? I don't have any leverage positions right now. I've had leverage positions in the past. I don't like them. Now, if you believe that this is the bottom, sure, go ahead, leverage, do whatever you want. But, dude, there's a lot less emotion involved with it when you don't have to bite your nails thinking, crap, I'm going to be getting liquidated this weekend. Crap. You know, if I don't add more, I'm done. It's over with. I could sit here for the next 40 years if I wanted to and let my positions go back up. I'll have those positions forever and nobody can take them from me. So there's a lot to be said about leveraging and emotions and everything in the crypto market and stock market right now. Deadpool beat the R-rated box office record previously held by Passion of the Christ. Dang, dude. Is it because it's Deadpool and Wolverine? Is it because it's Deadpool and Wolverine? Is that why it did it? Or was it like, did you guys watch it and it's literally a fantastic movie? Wish I had more money. I would take advantage of all of this. Giovanni, where would you be going with it right now? Would you be going more into the smaller tokens? I don't know if you have a huge meme coin portfolio or not, but would you be going more into like the smaller tokens? Just jumping for a nice 50-60%, quick 50-60% snap in larger tokens like Solana, Ethereum. Bitcoin's not going to be 50%, but still, you'd get a nice 20%, 30% gain. Where are you guys headed with it, right? What are you looking at right now that you're like, if I had the money, because I do, I have some money sitting aside, but I'm comfortable with it, man. I'm comfortable with it because of my indecision and because of my uncertainty, because of the fact that people are talking about recessions and WW3 and everything else. I'm comfortable leaving it in USDT at the moment based on the portfolio that I already have. But where would you guys be going with it if you did have the USDT available? Because I got it. I just don't know if I'm going to deploy it yet. Prefer to pick up some HBAR and some other X coins. All right, dropped internet. Not bad. I know HBAR or Hedera or whatever it is getting a lot of attention as well. Go, Doge, go. Hey, Jay, man, if you get in at 8 cents this morning, you're looking pretty good. I would wait at least 2 days to see if there's more downside. If we get issues with the bond market, beware of holding USDT. They hold tons of treasuries. Dude, I'm not, yeah, I understand what you're saying. I'm not necessarily going to be worried about some sort of a depeg or anything like that in USDT. I don't think that USDT is going to depeg. I wouldn't be terribly, and I don't stake my USDT. I don't have any USDC staked or anything like that. So I'm not terribly concerned or worried about USDT depegging. Or any issues there, which is why I'm okay holding it. But yeah, I do see what you're saying. Check out Colt on Solana, new coin like Brett. All right, it's Colt. So we'll just pull it up now, man, since I got it up. Ondo and Axelar is another good one. BlackRock companies. There you go. I didn't watch it. We decided to go see Inside Out 2 instead, but I'm sure it's because Wolverine is in it. Yeah, dude, pretty similar movies there. Inside Out 2 or Deadpool Wolverine. Sure, the kids won out on that one, but probably a much more family-friendly movie than Deadpool and Wolverine. Deadpool. What the heck is a Deadpool, man? Deadpool and Wolverine, probably much more of an adult-rated film. All right, Colt, we can pull this up and see what's happening here. I'm going to short Ethereum to 0 if I have to. Don't short it to 0, man. Don't short it to 0. Why would we think Ethereum's going to 0? I've got some Ethereum, dude. I don't want it to go to 0, you nut. This dude's killing me, man. Let's see. Get ready for the next crypto boom. I'm hoping so, man. It's going to be big guys or plays. So everyone sells and they jump in and create the next boom. Nathaniel, you are right. Yeah, warning. Deadpool's not a kid movie. Yeah, John Jay. I don't know if any Deadpools are kid movies. You're right on that one, man. We got Tamra, Greg, something, and Islander over in the TikTok chat. Appreciate you guys being over there. But Nathaniel, man, if you're still in here, you are right. This is whales. This is institutions. These guys are putting themselves in a position to own the crypto market the same way that they own the stock market. Okay? BlackRock didn't get to where they were because of luck. They got to where they were because every time retail investors get shook out, they come in and buy. You've got to buy when others are fearful, and holy moly, others are fearful right now. This is the lowest I've seen the coin market cap index for fear to greed. Coin stats, got to update it. Coin stats, level 68 yesterday, or last time I updated it, I guess. 26 today. The lowest I saw it the last 6 weeks was 25. Just a little bit further of a decline, and you're right there at 25, man. Losing 7% on a $2 trillion market cap. You're talking nearly $200 billion wiped out in the last 24 hours here. Volume is up, which means that you do have some people buying, sure, but because the overall market cap is down, a lot of selling going on in the overall crypto space. So, yeah, man, there's a lot going on in crypto right now. Colt, however, came out, what, I think it said 3 days ago, tiny $300,000 market cap, $64,000 in the liquidity pool, 1,000 holders, but doing $400,000 in volume, which is a lot of volume. So anytime you have small liquidity pools and tiny little market caps, it is a risk. But, dude, any money flowing in could make this easily 2, 3, 4, 5, 10x gain very quickly. So, guys, check out Colt if you want to check out Colt. Got some good volume, 1,000 holders. Needs to do better, but Colt can't help the fact that it launched at a time when extreme fear was entering the market. Looking forward now to 99 Bitcoins. Been staking 99 Bitcoins for about 2 months. Very nice, Brian. That is awesome, man. And I hope you're making a lot on the staking rewards there. And Clay, I just used SushiSwap for Ethereum USDT to BNB USDT. Took my $14 fee, and the block confirmation still rises. But right success, but I don't see the swap between. I have almost 1,000. Manager. Now, if it claimed it was successful, are you just not seeing it in your wallet? Or are you on like BNB scan and Etherscan, and you can see that the transaction's there? Because here's what it might be, okay? You may not have, and I don't know if you do or not. This is just me trying to guess based on the situation. I don't know what your wallet looks like. But you may not have USDT on the Binance blockchain. You may not have that enabled in your wallet. So I don't know if you're using a Trust wallet, if you're using a Coinbase wallet or what, but you may not have BNB USDT enabled in your wallet. Okay, if that's the case, just go enable it. You're going to be able to see it in your wallet, no issues. You should be able to see it if you type your wallet address in. If you type your BNB wallet address in, you should be able to see it on BSC scan, Binance Smart Chain scan. You should be able to see it on that website. If you can't see it there, I don't know what's going on, especially if it wrote success. I mean, it should have successfully made that trade. When I'm bridging from one blockchain to another like that, I use dbridge. I think it's like dbridge.finance or something. And I've never had any issues with stuff bridging over, but that would be my first two guesses of what's going on. If you buy cryptos with $1 million or less in circulation, usually fast money. Yeah, and you know what? It all depends on how fast they grow too. So little tokens like that, man, you got to be aware that they may end up falling just as fast. So take some profits. Or, dude, if they take off, man, if Colt becomes some sort of a sensation, it's going to make millionaires, man. Let's see. I keep dollar cost averaging into XRP, HBAR, Stellar Lumens, Algorand, CSPR, Crow, VVS, Tectonic. Just wish I had more money. Hey, you know what? Those are all solid names, though, Tony. Those are all solid names, man. Nothing terribly scary about those names there. Yo, Clay, you think we go further down from here? If so, SHIB's up 13% today. Do you pull out and come back in a couple of days? Just it, dude. Let me say this. I thought we were going further down, okay? I thought this morning, let's go over to the stock market real quick. I thought this morning we would end up in a situation very similar to Japan, very similar to Taiwan. I thought this morning for sure was going to go down as the worst day in stock market history, just destroying wealth across the entire globe. But somehow, people began to buy this dip. And dude, the NASDAQ was down this morning, actually more pre-market. The NASDAQ was down like 6%. Look at the QQQ, touching 420, already back up. What is this, man? Already back up 5%. So that we're only down 1.70% on the QQQ. Huge rebound. You're talking trillions of dollars in rebound, right? So just unfathomable to me. When I woke up this morning and I'm looking at everything, I'm thinking, yeah, dude, today is going to be, they're going to write about today. We're going to be living through, we're going to be trading one of the worst days in history. Somehow, at the open, everybody bought the dip, right? I don't know if it's institutions. I don't know if it's retail. I don't know who it is right now, but they're buying the dip. Shiba Inu Coin, dude, is up 15% right now to 1384. Dude, 1384 from 1084. That's a 30% increase from the intraday lows. A 30% increase from the intraday lows. Now look, you can kick yourself for not adding more on the absolute low this morning and being up 30% already in a couple of hours. Or you can just justify it, right? You didn't know what was coming next. If you base it off of Japan, if you base it off of Taiwan, no way in heck would you have thought that we'd be back up 30% off of those intraday lows. Yet here we are, rising all morning long. Dude, I'm just going to be honest with you, right? I don't know if that was a strong, hard bottom and we bounce up beautifully. I don't know what's next. But this morning, I was expecting declines, and we've got beautiful rallies. So it's a wild market, man. And people are buying right now. Here's what I don't think it's people buying, okay? Based on the fear in the market, based on that third level of 31 fear degree index, I think it's institutions that are loading up. I think it's whales that are loading up right now. And I think it's going to further that wealth gap that everybody always talks about, right? That's the best way that I can put it. Colt to pool to ahoo! Yes, Nufo. With WienerDog AI, I guess we'll see what happens when people start getting out of work today. Maybe we'll see more price action. I'm optimistic about that. Yeah, Joseph, dude. WienerDog AI got blasted this morning. Dude, you know, I'm sick of this stuff happening, but it literally launched in the worst day in stock market history. according to Japan. And it literally launched at a time when Ethereum was down 20%. Bitcoin was down like 12%. SHIB was touching 1,000 points per coin. Now, I do hope for a nice recovery, right? And if you did add any more this morning on that dip or whatever, you'd probably already be back up. But yeah, dude, I am hoping for a nice recovery there as this market begins to rebound. If people begin to think, crap, that was it, now we're on the run, hey, we could be on our run, man. Let's see. Yeah, Rami, I hope that covered the talk about WinnerDog AI there. There's not much else to know. It was a very easy claim process. I did not record myself claiming it or anything, but I did not have a single issue connecting my wallet this morning, clicking that claim button immediately in my wallet. I did have to add the contract address to my Trust wallet to see it, but I had zero issues connecting or claiming or anything like that this morning. The only issue is the overall cryptocurrency market was getting. Now it's looking very good, but was getting destroyed, man. Glad you live, Clay. Hope SHIB drops back to 5, 6. Dude, calm down, man. Calm down. I don't want it to see. You guys, look, I've got some money sitting in USDT that I could buy with, and I don't want to. I can't believe how much of a dip you guys want some of these times, man. Massive keeps, dude. You guys got to calm down on your dip buying wants and your dip buying needs here. I don't know what the heck you're doing, man. You guys got you guys are the whales out there with unlimited money. Dip more, I'll buy more. No, dude. No, don't dip anymore, okay? Just go up. Go up 20 or 30x and then you can dip. Right? Let us out for a minute here. Let us have some gains and some greens and everything else. You guys are wild with your dip buying opportunities. Yes, but the block confirmation still rising. Now, 1040 block confirmation, it's still nothing. I think I'll contact Sushi Swap. It was for test. Is no lose for me if it's not working. All right, well, manager, I do hope that it works, man. If it shows that the transaction was there, you should have that money in your wallet. You may just need to add the USDT to your wallet so that you can see it show up, but I'm not 100% sure without being able to know your wallet address and all that. Now would be a good time for the XRP. Yeah, grow wealth together. Now would be a good time for positive news on all cryptocurrencies. This dude, old rounder. Oh my god. Today's rally will just be an opportunity for me to short Ethereum again this evening. Oh man. Old rounder. Don't. I want it to go up, man. And now I'm going to feel bad if you're shorting Ethereum and my Ethereum doubles in price and I make a ton of money. I'm going to have to think about you losing money. But I'm going to say this. I don't want Ethereum to go back down. I don't want these stupid dips. I want the rips, man. You guys are crazy. Yeah, man. We want to see them green candles. Joseph is right. Yeah, we all trapped. Hey, I don't feel trapped, right? I don't feel trapped. I do feel as though I wish the market didn't fall as much as it did. But if you come out and you're looking, you guys can't see it, but stuff is starting to bounce back. Right, stuff is starting to bounce back. Dog with Hat's still down 10%. Moo, that's a pretty popular one because somebody came in with a couple $1 million buy or something the other day. That one's down just 1% right now. Solana is actually back up on the day. Solana this morning was $111. Very low compared to where it's been over the last month. And now it's already back up to $135. So... yeah, man. I do wish that we see some nice gains. Let's see where we're at here. Yeah, I wish we see some nice gains throughout the day. And sentiment returns to the upside. Any ISO 2022, not too bad of a thing. Not sure. Let's see. Now would be a good time for XR. Yes, it would. We want the green candle. WinnerDog AI Central Exchange listing on the 8th could still. Yeah, Joseph, man. Now I expect that to be MEXC Global. Okay, and what I have seen is that you do see a 200 to 300% increase going into that listing. If people are excited, we should probably see a nice gain there. If crypto gets destroyed, I don't think anybody's going to care that what WienerDog AI is getting listed on an exchange. It all has to deal with sentiment, man. And right now, with this rebound, people could be looking at this as the dip buying opportunity, as the last chance to lock up on low prices. And if that's the case, man, we're ready for gains. I know people want to buy. I know people believe in crypto. The crypto space is looking good. In terms of, I don't want to get banned on TikTok or YouTube this morning. In terms of DT, right, talking good about crypto and embracing it here in the United States, excellent. The emergency Fed meeting, I don't know what time you guys know what time the emergency Fed meeting is today? They're having an emergency Fed meeting because they're trying to stave off recessionary talks. Now, I don't know if we're going to fall into a recession or not. I think that we already were in a recession, and they simply decided to change the definition of a recession a couple of years ago because we had 2 consecutive quarterly declines in GDP. I mean, we're still here. You know what I mean? Like, we're still, people are still making money. People are still buying. Just because you have two consecutive quarterly declines in GDP doesn't mean that the world is ending. So even if we do fall into a recession, it's much better than being in a depression. So we'll make it through this, guys. We will make it through this. But if we make it through and we escape WW3, we escape recession talks, we escape economic decline, this is the opportunity. Institutions know that. That's why they're buying it all up today. They know that. They know that crypto is one day going to be a $100 trillion industry. And they're going to make sick money along the way. The only question is, are you guys going to make sick money along the way? I am. I mean, I'm here. Look, I want to let you guys know, right? Say the YouTube live stream goes off. Say the YouTube videos. Say YouTube doesn't like me anymore. Whatever. I'm still in crypto. I think that crypto is an industry that is going to be here and going to thrive. I hope the same is for you. This weekend, I bought Doge 2014, I believe. And yes, I'm staking it, getting that 6,110%. Brian, man, that is a wild percentage gain. Is it Joseph? I think it's Joseph that has some of that, right? Can't wait for Pepe Unchained. Mo money, man. Pepe Unchained. Pepe Unchained is actually the fastest pre-sale that I'm involved with right now. $7.3 million, I believe, being sold already. They're the biggest one that's going on right now. Sorry, Clay. Just one more opportunity would be nice. At a $1 billion market cap for SHIB for 2 days is all we need. Oh, gosh, dude. All right, man. If it just for 2 days. Just for 2 days. I'll take it. But then it's got to rebound. It's got to be like a very sharp V, man. Down and then right back up. I don't care if it's 2 hours. But 2 hours would be better. Just take advantage of it for 2 hours, man. Maybe I'll go outside. I'll have lunch on the patio or something. And then and then come back in and be like, oh, crap. SHIB dipped down while I was down there. Yeah, it did. Or while I'm sleeping. Could be even better. Stay awake, buy it while I'm sleeping, and then forget any dip buying opportunities. Yes, I stayed. My gosh, Joseph. Very nice. He's already 5x'd his total tokens. Oh, geez. Clearly right about the definition of a recession and it being changed. Yeah, dude, I remember all that. They seem to be able to change the definition of anything these days, don't they? Seems like nothing has definitions anymore. Subarctic man, what's going on, man? Glad you're over on TikTok right now. Hopefully you stay in TikTok. 147 likes. Guys, if you're over there, please click the screen and let TikTok share this with more people. So, how much did WienerDog go down to on day one? Jeremiah. Well, let's just pull it up, dude. It got ripped this morning. Lost like 60%, but I hope it's bouncing back. So let's see. as everything was getting destroyed, and Ethereum is down 20%. Wiener Dog AI was down 60%. Dude, come on. All right, there we go. Wiener. All right, this one. Yeah, it's down 50% right now, man. 00032. 00032 is where it's at. Coming down very heavy this morning. Bouncing back already. Trying to bounce all the way back up to launch here. But overall market still needs to rebound much better. Ethereum is still down 12% on the day today, even though it is bouncing back. And gas fees are very high right now, so watch out for that. But yeah, Wiener Dog AI getting hit pretty hard. Is this the banana that Giovanni has? Must be, because it's all marked up. Dang, dude. Look at that daily, taking it right out of the ascending channel. Yikes. This could be on its way back up to 70 bucks here very soon, though. Jeez. And then Mog. Mog dipping all the way down to 0068, back up to 0012, man. Nearly a 100% increase. Jeez, dude. Lost 50% and right back up today. Dude, this was a brutal morning, man. Pepe's back up 15%. Well, that's solid. Coming down pretty heavy here. I don't know if Johnny K was able to add any more here, but got to get back up this horizontal support at about 6 zeros and a 16 there before it's really looking pretty strong. But yeah, dude, everything getting hit very hard this morning. Wiener Dog AI getting hit very hard on launch day. I imagine that's because of all the panic, though. Dez, what's going on, Dez? Danelle, oh my goodness. Danelle, so happy to see you over there on TikTok. Dual streaming right now, YouTube and TikTok. Very good to see your face, though. Let's see. It's been a while, and still no lava lamp and shelf. Oh, Danelle, the lava lamp is right here. The lava lamp certainly is not going anywhere, right? The lava lamp is right here. But yes, no shelf. I haven't even thought about making a shelf in quite a long time now. Crypto Conrad Valdez Reyes says, the real investors are the ones that are still watching, and it looks like is a few now. But once the market pumps, your channel has hundreds watching while live. Yeah, it's crazy. Now, Crypto Conrad Valdez Reyes, man, I'll say this. You should use that, right, as an indicator that retail investors are here, things are pumping, it may be a good time to take some profit. Right? When we start getting a couple hundred people in here, people are very, very excited. And then it slowly starts to die down again. It is, if you want a graph, right? If you want a graph of live stream views, basically looks like this, man. Ripping up. Now we got nothing for years. Ripping up. Nothing for years. And it will rip up again, man. There were a couple hundred people in here back in March when Shiba Inu Coin was ripping to 4,500 points per coin, and cryptocurrency interest was only a level of 9 at that time. We're at a level of 4 right now. People have given up. So, yeah, dude, they will return, and you are 100% correct, man. It is all to do with the pumping of the markets and price action. People only want to be involved, man, when good things are happening. Still, the Wiener Dog AI, solid project, not giving up. Dude, I'm not giving up on anything because of today. Today was just a brutal day. Yeah, Danelle, man, we haven't seen Pika, I think, like, since January. I don't know if it was January or February of this year, but I haven't seen Pika since January or February. It's been a very long time. Hundreds is fun. Let's get thousands in here. JB, man, let's get started. Hey, if we get thousands of people in here, I imagine prices would be through the roof. I imagine Bitcoin's going to be at $100,000. You know, Ethereum's going to be $8,000-$9,000. You're going to have Shiba Inu Coin back up, getting ready to test all-time highs. It is possible to get thousands of people in here, but prices are going to have to be doing something amazing if we're going to have thousands in here. Just watched your video on Shiba. Hey, Des, thank you very much for watching that video. How many more dumps do you think before we get to the top? What do past bull runs say in the charts? Now, it is, let's just take a look at it, I guess. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. And let's take a look at Bitcoin over 2021. And, you know what, maybe here. All right. So, 2017 into 2021, ripping up, selling off. We've already accomplished all of this. This would have been through the 2022 bear market low into the beginning of 2023. Rising up beautifully, coming up here, and then selling off once again and losing roughly, man, what is that? A little over 50%, like losing 60%. This might be the major sell-off that we're experiencing right now, okay? A very fast, roughly 50% decline. And then a beautiful rally higher, right? Taking you to the 2021 peaks. Now, if that's a similar situation to what we're in, this was the decline, right? Into 2023. Very nice rally. And then here we are right now. We could fall down further. We could see that 50% decline that takes us back down to $35,000, $40,000. I don't know how brutal this last sell-off is going to be, similar to this sell-off here, where Bitcoin very quickly went from 10,000 to 5,000. You know, it's always hard. You can't have a perfect decline, right? A perfect pattern recognition. But we have had a nice rally. We might see a 50% decline if the exact same thing happens now. But then after that decline there, it looks so small in comparison to what's to come, because it literally went from 5,000 to 60,000. Now, do I think that we go from 30,000 to 300,000? No, probably not. I don't think we go all the way up to 300,000. But with institutions buying in, with, I guess new ETFs, with presidents talking about cryptocurrency, there is a chance, yes, that we do see some 2, 3, 4, 5x gains, and we see some crazy high prices in this next upcoming rally. You always got to remember, though, right? Just because we hit a 10x before doesn't mean we're going to 10x again. The market becomes more and more and more saturated over time. We still got $1 trillion price point on Bitcoin here. It's still a very, very large asset. So to expect us to just jump to 10 trillion is kind of crazy. But, you know, you're talking 2, 3, 4 trillion. It's a possibility, right? So I would say if the same exact pattern is going to repeat at the same exact time frame, you've got your major decline, might continue on, I don't know. Then a nice steady into the retail explosion that could take Bitcoin up to 100, 150, 200,000 or so. Just my analysis based on the previous pattern. Crypto Conrad Valdez Reyes. Still waiting on AMC to squeeze. Yes, to know. A lot of people are still waiting on AMC to squeeze. I don't know if AMC is going to make it. Actually, QQQ dropping back down right now. It's kind of hard to see what's happening here. Dropping back down from 442 to 437 here. Apple dropping back down a little bit. Amazon not doing too bad there. Tesla not doing too bad. I don't know what's pulling back in the QQQ to cause that little bit of a decline there, but hopefully it's just a little bit of a hiccup on the way back up. Bitcoin back in the green. Ethereum solid 7% in the green now. SHIB 13% of the green. Dogecoin 5% of the green. Yeah, things are looking okay at the moment. Hopefully we don't decide to walk off the edge of another cliff, though. And you guys didn't see any of that, but I did just click through all that stuff. Let's see. I was just thinking about how long it's been since Pika's been around. Kind of concerning. She don't respond to Discord message. I don't know. She was investing too much time here and hard to focus on real life. I'm sure she's doing well. We all miss her and wish her the best. Yeah, facts on that, man. I sure hope she would have come back, at least for the Fantasy Football League. She made the first trophy for it, yeah. Let's see. What? Latcoin, please. Oh, Latcoin. I was like reading the name A, and it said a Latcoin, please. So I was like, what does that mean? Yes. Latcoin, L-A-T, let's do it. What's going on with Shiba Inu? Michael, it's bouncing back. Actually, it's bouncing back nicely this morning. Hopefully the gains continue on throughout the afternoon. And we erase every bit of the loss that we experienced over the weekend. But it is bouncing nicely off the recent dip, man. All right, we got to go back out to this view so you guys can see that chart. Yep, then we come over here. Then we come over here. Okay. Latcoin. Liquidity accelerator. Is that what we're looking at? Pooh. Golly, dude, what a tiny market cap. Tiny market cap and very, very low volume. All right, man. I mean, I don't know. And if this is the token we're looking at, I don't know anything about it, but I will say this. Right? It's been out for 2 years. It's only got a $49,000 market cap, 7,000 holders, but the volume is $19. And then you can scroll through $1, $1, $1, $0, $2, $2, $0, $1, $1, $2, $4, $5, $186. So, you know, you can see that the volume is excruciatingly low. This would be, I don't think there's any such thing as a dead coin, but I would consider this a zombie coin at this point. Who knows about this coin? $20 in volume is a good day. It's been out for 2 years, 7,000 holders, only a $49,000 market cap, and it needs volume. I don't. If that's the one you're looking at, man, you need to get that coin some volume to keep it alive. Thank goodness you're on. Do you know how many scammers are trying to steal my WAI? I have my WAI on my Trust Wallets, but I can't see a value. How do I fix this? Malcolm, you're not going to be able to see a value on it until it gets listed on CoinMarketCap. Because all of the values are pulled from CoinMarketCap at that point, so you can't fix that. That's just it's not broken, right? Now, if Trust Wallet is not the best, I use Trust Wallet, but Trust Wallet is not the best at updating things. So if you don't see it update after it's listed on CoinMarketCap.com. You're probably going to want to use MetaMask or something in order to see the value in there, or like a Coinbase wallet or something. But yeah, it's not broken. You just can't see the value until it gets listed on CoinMarketCap.com. Danelle, I honestly don't think that Chip Bro, like the original Chip Bro, is still alive. That's been 3 years. Chipmunks usually live to about 2 years in the wild, and but all of Chip Bro's offspring, they continue to eat on the back step every single day, and he's got a lot of chipmunks running around the backyard still. There's a little family of chipmunks, 3 babies, and the mom have a hole over by where my well is, and then there's one of them that lives like right under the step here. But he's probably the smartest one. Lives right like by the step. As soon as I put seeds out, that dude knows I'm coming and grabs a bunch of seeds. So I don't know if the original Chip Bro is still alive or not. I haven't seen a chipmunk with manhood running around in a while, so I don't know if Chip Bro's still out there. Kitties are good though. The kitties are very good. Baby girl doing good, and I got another cat too. My sister saw a cat leaving work one day and brought it over, so I have two. She's a little kitten. She's growing up fast, and I got that cat right there. Good idea to trade smaller altcoins up for the more stable ones. Hey, Nita, it is a good idea if you don't want to handle the risk, okay? Or if you don't want to handle the volatility, then it's a good idea, yes. Or if you think those smaller altcoins are going to fail. Now, at this point in time, if you believe everything is going to begin recovering, here's what you're looking at. Okay, maybe Bitcoin can go up 20%, 10%. Maybe Ethereum can go up 40, 50%. Solana, 40, 50%. And then you start to trickle down into the smaller coins. Well, now it's got to double to get back up to where it was just a couple of weeks ago. Triple, quadruple to get back up to where it was a couple of weeks ago. So unless you believe they're going to die out, now is the time that you could take a larger risk, yes, but the payoff could be much greater for smaller altcoins. That's how I ended up with so many. Yeah, I don't know if I'll end up with many, many more or not, but we're at 2 right now, and it might stay 2. I don't know. YouTube app keeps stopping the stream and making me go back into the live stream link to rejoin the live. Dropped internet connection. Could it possibly be because you have a dropped internet connection? Or is it not, dude? It could be YouTube. I don't know. I swear YouTube doesn't really like my live stream. I don't know why, but I don't think that YouTube is very nice to. I don't think that YouTube is very nice to my live stream. I don't like it. I don't like it one bit. But here we are. And what are you going to do about it? Let's see. WIF still down 11% on the day today, man. WIF needs to bounce back a little bit. WIF hit a $1.32. Touching $1 this morning. It's a pretty low price point considering it was at $4 at the end of May. That's pretty crazy. I have no idea what black is. This token's only been on an hour and it's down. Wow. Gotcha. People buying into Black Monday. That's interesting. Well, isn't that good that Black Monday is down 41% here from 1.3 cents to 0.07 cents? It's probably a good thing that Black Monday is not doing well. Bitcoin. What is this, dude? Bitcoin is the meme god. Oh, man. I don't know how some of these tokens amass 2,000 holders as fast as they do. Cat Dog looking very good here. Was that today? Holy smokes, man. Come on. Wow. What kind of a buy just came across here? No. Come on. Holy smokes. Guys, I don't know if you want to mess around with any more meme coins or not, but this could be a pretty good buy here. I don't know if this is some inside information or not, but somebody just came in like 1252 and put their entire wallet into CatDog. About $417,000 worth of CatDog. They shot it up to 0027. And of course, you had immediate sells coming afterwards, pushing it back down. But somebody just came in and bought $400,000 worth of CatDog there in one single buy. That could be some very interesting information if you guys are looking to buy some. Let's see. Terror Luna Classic comeback, $119. Vasif, I don't think it's going to $119, man. Wow, what a day. Alien Head, you're right on that. You can see your token value if you connect your wallet to platforms like Unis. You are right on that, Joseph. You are right on that. Anything's possible. Hey, it's in the name. Just don't hyphenate it. Yeah, there you go. Dropped internet connection. Exactly. Let's see. How did you join Wiener Dog AI? Some little Alien Head. Wiener Dog AI, man. I was up late watching the overall market. I still own my Wiener Dog AI. I haven't traded it or anything, and it's down pretty big this morning. So Wiener Dog AI got blasted with the rest of the market. I'm looking forward to the listing that they've got on August 8th now. If it starts to run up on that listing hype, I will have no issue selling it. Cannot get my wallet connected. It took an hour or so. Oh, well. Dude, it's already on a decentralized exchange. You can trade it on Uniswap right now. You can trade Wiener Dog AI on Uniswap right now, but I had zero issues connecting my wallet. I don't want to be that person's X liquidity. Dude, that guy's got to get all the way up to... I know you don't want to be that person's exit liquidity, but that dude has to get all the way back up to here. Essentially 0025 now to be able to exit. I don't understand why guys come in and drop 400 grand in a single trade. He's got to get all the way back up here. He's got to see a 5x increase now before he can really make some money. So this dude's sitting on $400,000. He didn't get to buy it down here and then just watch the price shoot up. He probably ended up getting in somewhere in this area, 002. Yeah, I don't know if it's going to be able to show me. Can I see what his purchase price was? Jeez, man. 9 minutes ago. I don't know if it's going to show me his purchase price. Yeah, I don't know. I just know that guy's got to see a pretty strong increase before he sees any profit at this point. Man. All right, guys. It is so the person that can't see his price. If we don't know AI, I put my token in my cold wallet and I can see what. All right, Brian, gotcha. And you can if you connect it to any exchange like the guy before said, you can also see your price. But thank you very much, Brian, for letting him know. Guys, it is 1 o'clock. Get your names in the chat. Have a fantastic day. Danelle, you as well. Thank you very much. Dude, he's about to have a real bad day. Nita. You talking about that guy that just bought $400,000 worth? Yeah, he might, man. I don't know. That was a wild buy. Get your names in the chat right now. We'll do some shout-outs, though. Tamara, have a wonderful day. Nita, we got Big Z. See you later. Chameleon, have a great one. It's Dave, fam. Danelle, if you're still in there. All of you guys have a great day over on TikTok. Appreciate you guys for being in there and clicking the like button. Somebody gave me 3,000 likes. Somebody guessed it was Danelle. What else do we have here? We got shout-outs over on YouTube. Alien Head, have a wonderful afternoon, man. Joseph, see you later. Malcolm Hampton, see you later. Dropped Internet. Alien Head. We got Malcolm JB, have a great one. Brian, see you later, man. We got Joseph, Disclosure Crypto, see you later. Alien Head, John J, Joseph, Old Rounder, Joseph, SD, later to you. Manager, have a great one. All of you guys, you know what time it is. You want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, Alien Head and Zach, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.